Hello folks, welcome back. This is LearnEasy Tutorial, your online learning companion. In this video, we will be discussing the parts and functions of the circulatory system. I will be covering the following topics: circulating fluids, vessels that circulate these fluids, functions of each part. I will also be giving you tips on key points to write for important questions related to this topic. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel to get updates on new videos. Humans are multicellular organisms with each organ system performing a different function. These systems have to be connected and various substances have to be transported to ensure the proper functioning of the body. Fluids of the circulatory system do this function. Circulatory fluids present in the human body are blood, tissue fluid, and lymph. Blood is a connective tissue. It consists of cells, RBC, WBC, and platelets in a liquid matrix plasma. Blood is pumped by the heart and flows through the blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The main function of blood is transportation. It transports respiratory gases, digested food, hormones, etc. to different parts of the body. Not only that, but it also collects nitrogenous and metabolic waste and transport it to the corresponding excretory organ for removal. Blood plays a major role in protecting our body against diseases along with the lymphatic system. Now, let's check out the next part of the circulatory system, blood vessels. Arteries are blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the body. They split into small branches called arterioles, which further divide to form thin and narrow capillaries. Capillaries carry oxygenated blood under high pressure. This will help to form tissue fluid and also in the exchange of respiratory gases, digested food, hormones, etc. with the tissues. Capillaries join together to form venules, which further join to form veins. Large veins called superior vena cava or anterior vena cava collect blood from the upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava or posterior vena cava collects from the lower part of the body and joins the heart in the right atrium. This deoxygenated blood, that is, carbon dioxide-rich blood, is transported back to the lungs for removal by the pulmonary artery. Once the exchange is done, the oxygen-rich blood is then transported back to the heart by the pulmonary vein so that it can be pumped to various parts of the body. Even though capillaries are narrow and very thin, it is not possible for them to reach each and every cell. So, the blood that flows through the capillary diffuse or ooze out to the tissue and fill the intercellular spaces. This fluid is called tissue fluid or interstitial fluid. Components such as RBC and platelet cannot diffuse into the tissue, whereas WBC, plasma, digested food, oxygen, and other components will diffuse. The main function of the tissue fluid is to exchange gases and nutrients with the cells. The tissue fluid cannot be diffused back into the capillaries. They can't remain in the tissue and have to join back with the blood so that the consistency of blood will remain intact and waste products can be removed. The tissue fluid drains into another set of vessels called lymphatic vessels. These fluids are called lymph here. The lymphatic vessel joins back to the veins. The main function of lymph is to build up the immune system of the body. This is accomplished by WBC along with lymphatic nodes by producing antibodies. Lymph also help in absorbing digested fat from villi and transport it to various parts. Key points. check out the link in the description below. That's all for now. Happy learning. See you. Bye bye.